Hi, are you a small business owner who's making money, but you're stressed out about paying the bills next month? It feels like your bank account is telling you what to do, right? But as ruler of your business kingdom, you are in a position of power and authority. You have authority over your business's cash flow. You just need a strategy to activate it. Today, we're going to dissect 3 common cash flow mistakes that even profitable businesses make. I'll show you how to take command of your money so you can build and grow your business. Are you ready? Let's go inside and chat. Last year, my wonderful husband planted a butterfly garden for me. As I watched monarch caterpillars position themselves to work their way through an amazing journey, I realized that the small business journey is similar to theirs. Like the tiny caterpillar, we navigate through a complex world. We make crucial decisions, surviving on limited resources, and hope to emerge as something beautiful and strong. The monarch caterpillars get vital nutrients from milkweed. Our businesses get vital nutrients too from cash flow. Many small businesses falter not because they don't have a great product or service, but because they make preventable mistakes in managing their cash. Today, I'm going to dissect 3 common cash flow disasters, drawing from lessons learned from our striped leaf-eating mentors. Let's get started on your business metamorphosis. Imagine our tiny monarch caterpillar. It feeds on the perfect food source, milkweed. But if a lot of caterpillars are born at the same time, their perfect food source gets a little scarce. This happened in our garden last year. So many caterpillars were born at the same time, they devoured the milkweed before they had all grown to the adult stage. They had to start making choices. Do they stay and eat the remaining leaves on the milkweed plant even though there's a lot of competition? Or do they leave and risk looking for a new plant when there might not be one? In the early stages of a small business, it is incredibly easy to fall into the trap of incurring every potential expense without evaluating its true or real value to the business. Real value to the business means that it has a return on the investment. That return might be in time that you save in producing your product or service, or it might be monies that you spend on ads to bring in new customers. We sign up for that new software, buy the fanciest office supplies, and invest in every marketing tool under the sun, often without asking, is this feeding my business? Or is it just a tasty distraction? These unchecked, often recurring expenses can deplete your cash reserves, leaving you weak and vulnerable when you want to be strong and resilient. When we had too many caterpillars in our garden and not enough food to sustain them, we tried to help them out. We put out cucumbers and squash, which they happily ate. These caterpillars were eating too many empty calories. They may have felt full, but we didn't see many of them transition into beautiful butterflies.
So what do I do instead?
Be a smart caterpillar. Before committing to any expense, ask yourself, is this essential for growth? What will be the return on my investment? Can I get by with a more cost-effective option for now? Implement a strict budgeting process. Regularly review your subscriptions and your recurring expenses. Just like our caterpillar, carefully choose your food. You need to be intentional about what you consume. Cut the dead leaves and savor the vital ones. Now, this next mistake is one that prevents even successful businesses from having a cash cushion. It's about getting paid. So stick around for mistake number 2. I'm going to share 2 simple changes you can make to get yourself paid 50% faster. Once the monarch caterpillar reaches full adult stage, it needs to find that perfect, safe spot in order to form its chrysalis. This is a place where it will be undisturbed for the next 10 or so days. This requires a clear path and decisive action. In the small business world, The equivalent of this safe spot is consistent, timely collection of your revenue. Many businesses wander aimlessly here, allowing invoices to go unpaid, not having clear payment terms, or being too timid to follow up on overdue accounts. When you don't have predictable cash flow, it's like our caterpillar being stuck in a dangerous, exposed area, unable to begin its crucial transformation. You might have great sales, but if the money isn't in your bank account, it's just numbers on a paper. This leads to chasing payments, stress, and the constant scramble to meet your own business obligations.
So what do I do instead?
Create a clear, decisive path for your revenue. Implement strict payment terms. Send invoices promptly and have a clear, repeatable follow-up process for overdue payments. Consider automatic reminders, and don't be afraid to firmly but politely communicate your payment expectations. Think of it like building a sturdy, predictable bridge for your cash to cross over into your business. The more efficient your revenue collection process, the more secure and safe your chrysalis stage will be. Getting your money in the door faster is critical, but it solves only half the problem. In mistake number 3, we're going to talk about the chrysalis stage for your business and how you can have sufficient reserves to meet any surprise that may come your way. Running a business is hard enough without the stress of not knowing where your money is going. If you feel like it's a waste of time and money to sort out your finances, I get it. As a fellow small business owner and trained accountant, I have developed a simple, easy to understand financial fast-track system to help you take control. In just 3 do-it-together sessions, you'll build a repeatable financial tracking system that gives you confidence and helps you keep more profit. Our group sessions are intentionally small, so you get customized support. Learn more by going to keepingmydollars.com. For 8 to 10 days, sometimes longer, our caterpillar will be completely vulnerable inside of its chrysalis. It can't eat or move. It relies entirely on the energy stored up during its eating phase. Many small businesses, though, will ignore this important chrysalis stage, not preparing for unexpected expenses, slow period, or even opportunities that require upfront investment. This is incredibly dangerous. Without reserves, one unexpected repair, a dip in sales, or a delay in your large payment can send your business into a tailspin. You're essentially forcing your delicate chrysalis to endure storms without protection and jeopardize the entire transformation process. Your business can't emerge as a beautiful butterfly if its chrysalis is shattered.
So what do I do instead?
Prioritize building your cash reserves. Rather than seeing this as extra money, view it as an essential operating expense. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months of operating expenses in a separate, accessible account. This isn't just for emergencies, it's also about seizing opportunities. A strong reserve allows your business to confidently navigate this chrysalis stage, knowing that it has the resources it needs for the transformation. It provides peace of mind and the stability you need to spread your wings. So there you have it. 3 critical cash flow mistakes to avoid through lessons learned from our incredible monarch companions. By carefully managing your expenses, creating a clear path for revenue collection, and building strong cash reserves, you're not just managing money, you're taking control and leading your kingdom. From a vulnerable, growing caterpillar to a magnificent, soaring monarch butterfly, your small business has incredible opportunity for growth and freedom. It all starts with smart cash management. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more small business tips. And don't forget about that notification bell so that you'll know when our next video comes out. Until the next time, be sure to shield your profits.